So you actually mentioned a story about how only Hindi film actors were kind of shown during the Rudravina thing. Today, Ramcharan has found a mention in the Oscar 2023, Best Actor list. What do you have to say about that? Because it's something which is very proud moment for India also, that an actor's name is there in the mention in the Oscar 2023. And as a father, what do you have to say?
No, really, it's a proud moment for me. I'm really very happy. That's what I was expressing. Uh, these kind of days should come. That was my agony in those times, and it has. It's not because of Charan only. It's a collective effort. So my that director Rajmouli, through that film, through those actors, he's tried to hit the bullseye and get the attention. And even it was supposed to probabilities. It entered into the probabilities of Oscars. Really, it's a pride moment for me.
Thank you, sir.
Hi Salman sir. Hello Chiranjeevi sir. Salman sir, my question is to you. You know, everyone spoke about how you came on board for the cameo over here, and then you are very close to the family, and I believe Ramcharan sir has also shot with you. How did that happen? Like the cross culture over there.
How do you know that Ram has shot with me? पहले तो इसका जवाब दो मुझे.
Heard that he has shot with you for your next.
True story. So we were shooting in Hyderabad, and Venki was there with me. We were shooting, so he came to see me, and he said, "I want to do this," and I said, "No, no, 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 no." He said, "I want to be with you, and I want to be with Venki in the same frame." So I thought he was just kidding. So I said, "No, we'll talk about this tomorrow." Tomorrow he got his van. He got his costume. He's got everything. He was there before us. So I said, "What are you doing?" I said, "No, I want to be here." And I said, "We love you and we want you to be here, but is it okay for you to be here?" They said, "Yeah." And that's how he came into the film. And we had a great time shooting.
The song sequence?
Yeah. And after that as well.
Uh,
Much better.
I'm Chiranjeevi sir, a question for you. This is a remake of a Malayalam film called Lucifer. There is a sequel as well to Lucifer being made. Are you planning similar things for Godfather as well?
As of now, I don't have any idea. Even he doesn't have. But yesterday, when he was showing the last reel, he kept one or two unnecessary scenes. As of now, that time I felt. But after seeing those end scenes of somebody talking in Interpol in somewhere about my re-entry into this again underworld, I thought, do you have any idea of making this part two? No, sir, nobody knows, because if chance comes, this scene will be helpful, so that I kept it. In such case, okay, go ahead. Maybe, we don't know. But I was talking to the director, Prithviraj Sukumaran, and he said once, "Sir, that was coming very well. If you are interested, I will let you hear the subject." And that's maybe possibilities are there to make part two of Godfather.
चलो मेरी पिक्चर कंफर्म हो गई.
Hello. Yeah. Oh, yes, sir. My question was,
I am moving to the south.
sir, over here in front of you, Salman sir and Chiranjeev sir. My question for both of you. Sir, the question is like, if you see yesterday's movie, oh yes, on your right hand side up. The question is, yeah, oh yeah.
Raise your hand.
Yeah.
Raise your hand.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah.
So if you see yesterday's superstars working together, everybody has seen the clashes, ego on the screen. So I want to share, I want to know about when you two superstars were facing each other. Was there any kind of egoistic or clashes or something?
No, not such case, it will not arise in our with both of us, because we love each other, we adore each other, we respect each other. So in such things are existing, there is no scope to have ego. It doesn't. Because, and especially we are senior most, we are not youngsters, so who is competing to each other? No, such things will not arise. So our maturity makes us feel comfortable.
And you're also going by one or two examples. You know, all of us have done earlier double hero films, triple hero films. These things have never happened apart from one or two films. And that also would not be the actor's fault. It would somewhere be the director's fault. Because क्या रोल सुना है और किसके साथ ज़्यादा partiality हो रही है उसके वजह से हुआ होगा on creative differences. But I don't think that he must have had any problem working with anyone, or I have had any problem. And I worked a lot of two heroes. I worked with Sanju, Sunny, Jackie, Shah Rukh, Amir, Saif, everyone, Aki. I've never had this problem ever. So I don't know. ये आप किसकी बात कर रहे हो? जब बात कर रहे हो तो वो example दे दो. किसकी बात कर रहे हो आप?
Even for that, need not be matured and seniority. Even youngsters like Tarak, NTR and Ramcharan did. They don't have any other hassles like this. They loved each other. So, as he says, it's depend upon the director who is supposed to balance and satisfy their egos. It doesn't arise individual actors. They don't mind acting with each other.
See, it all depends on the film, on the script. If you do not like the actor and you like the script, either don't do it or start liking the actor. Simple.
Chiranjeevi Garu, my question is to you. So on your right, so this way. So,
yes, please. Again, you, number one.
So, Nagarjuna Garu has a release called Ghost on the same day, and he has said that both the films will do well. You all are all friends and a big family out there. Does it ever get difficult to keep the competition aside and just go and?
No, first of all, we don't feel that we are competing to each other. So each film is a unique. We have to show our talent. We have to prove through that film, and if it's liked by the audience, there is a matter. That's it. Whether it's a flop or hit, so it doesn't arise. So even on my other day in Anantapuram, drenching in the rain, I was wishing my friend as well. It should feel Ghost also should be a big hit.
We'll
Hi,
take two more questions, right?
Salman
Ji.
sir, hi.
Yeah, please.
Hi, Salman sir. Like you said, you became a part of the film because of the kind of affection and friendship that you share with Chiranjeevi sir. But did you also look at it as an opportunity where you felt like this could be a big challenge because the language is different, the setting is different, the sensibilities perhaps are also different?
I've spoken one line in Telugu and the rest is Hindi. And that was a big challenge. Big challenge.
गॉडफादर की बात करें तो इसका जो ओरिजिनल फिल्म है उसमें दो फिल्में बन चुकी हैं एक धर्मात्मा और आपके भी उधर जो बनी थी एक दयावान अगर उन दोनों फिल्मों की बात करें तो क्राइम थ्रिलर लेकिन ये जो फिल्म है ये पॉलिटिकल थ्रिलर है तो फिल्म के लेवल पे क्या कहीं कुछ सिमिलरिटी है गॉडफादर से या ये ओरिजिनल?
There's nothing at all similar with that legendary film Godfather. I was a little skeptical to actually to go with the name Godfather beginning, except for Chiranjeevi sir. I wouldn't have dared to keep that name. Except for the name, nothing else goes with that cult classic Godfather. And this film deals with the image of a hero. The hero is called Brahma, and the dynamics of the hero. It is omnipresent. It is the biggest image-driven movie. This is even the screenplay is written based on this particular character image. Yeah, image. So that is the only reason, and nothing else. Nothing else.
We'll take one last question, ladies and gentlemen. Ji.
Yeah, Nitin.
Ji, yeah.
Hi, Salman. My question is to you, sir, actually, because this is your first Telugu film, per se. I mean, we have seen actors who have done movies in the South previously, but this is your first film. Will we be seeing you doing more films in South perhaps, because that is something, it is an opportunity today that we are all looking at.
See, people want to go to Hollywood. I want to go to the South.
Thank you so much. Ji, sir.
And the thing is that once we start all working together, just imagine the numbers that we will have. That is the main thing. That people watch it here, people watch it in the South. You have all the theaters, fans go and watch him, me, then they become my fans, we become his fans. So everyone just grows and grows and grows, and the numbers become really large. अभी ये जो हम कहते हैं कि 300 करोड़, 400 करोड़, I think if all of us get together, I think we cross 3,000, 4,000 crores.